No, Sonic the Hedgehog.
No. Yes, Sonic. You know that Sonic is one of the best characters from Sega. You were super duper extremely grounded for 9 days for saying that. Now come with me to the police car right now.
What do you think I'll do next? To be continued on White Ear.